But honestly, this wasn't that big of that great of a deal, but Violet Grey was one of the few stores that carries Augustinus Bader, the zero point 0.5 fluid ounce, and the only place where I could get any sort of discount. All right, hey you guys, I'm back. So today I got a couple of packages. Well, actually not today, but maybe 2 days ago or so. And I had ordered this during the Black Friday sale. Same with the Dyson and these sneakers that I got. These aren't for mine. They're a gift, like a birthday gift that I got for my significant other, and I wanted to talk about these items that I got. Okay, so the first thing I was so excited about, if you guys watched my last video, you guys might remember that I went on and on about how I wanted the Augustinus Bader cream. Well, I finally bit the bullet and I got it. Actually, let me close the door. Sorry about that. It was getting a little loud. So anyway, so this is from Violet Grey. And mind you, I had opened this already and tried this for the past 2 days since I got it, because I was like, oh my gosh, I am running out of moisturizer and toner, which actually toner I had never really had to begin with, so I was like, I couldn't wait to use them. So anyway, these are the products that I've been waiting for. This toner, I chose it because I needed to make be over $100 to get the $15 promo. And Augustinus Bader, this was this was $85. And so this Augustinus Bader, this was $85. And this toner that I got, Indie Lee, actually, I had never really heard of this brand before, but it was under their clean beauty line, so I was like, let me try it, and I need a toner. So I've heard from all these magazines and Refinery 29 beauty section. So I decided to include this. I think this was only $35, so the total came out to be like around $130. So this is what it looks like. It says it's the COQ CoQ10 toner, and I did do some research on it online before I purchased it. A lot of people did mention had some good things to say about it, so I was like, oh, let me try it. And I like the fact, I love the packaging, by the way, first of all, and I love how it's glass and not plastic. I think that's good. It has the spray cap and bottle. So when I used the spray, it wasn't like that fine mist that you would get with, you know, like the Tatcha spray. Those spray really finely. This one doesn't, but I actually found this more useful, or better performing when you use it with a cotton round. So if you wet the cotton round and kind of use it that way, apply it to the skin that way, it seems to do a really good job. And I normally don't use cotton rounds or use toners with cotton rounds, and I was really surprised at how much gunk it picked up, the cotton round. I was like, oh my gosh, I washed my face and I don't apply any makeup, I mean, besides for the blush and some lip product. So I was like very surprised. So I'm very happy to have this. And then after I went in with the cotton rounds and this toner, I used this Augustinus Bader cream. This is the rich cream that I've been going on and on about last video. Like, count how many times I mentioned Augustinus Bader, right? So this is the Augustinus Bader cream. The packaging, I mean, it's heavy. This one was $85, 4.5 fluid ounce, and then the 1 fluid ounce is $170. So it's exactly the cost, and the amount is exactly the half of a full size. So I wanted to give it a try first with the little one. I didn't want to spend over $100 on a cream for the moment, because I'm you know, on a budget and always trying to save up for like bigger things in life, I guess. Anyway, so this is the Augustinus Beta Rich Cream. And let me see if I should show it like this. Right? Probably get like separately. So anyway, this is the Augustinus Beta Cream, and very luxurious, very sturdy. Again, I believe this is glass. And if you pop open the cap, the directions say to apply 2 pumps, use 2 pumps every daily or per use, and rub it into the skin, gently rub it into the skin in upward motion. So I've been trying to do that, and I like it, but you know, obviously I've only used it for 2-3 days now, so I'll let you know if I see any changes or any particular benefits to it. My biggest skin concern is always dryness. So, I mean, it does a job of moisturizing, but the thing is, I also, after applying this, because I'm only using 2 pumps and I like to pretty much lather my face with moisturizer, especially in the winter, it gets so dry, I go in with my CeraVe moisturizing cream, like kind of gently, and then also my SPF. So I mean, that's pretty much my beauty routine. After that, I don't put any foundation or anything. I just put some blush and some lip gloss or lip cream with some color, and that's usually my beauty routine. So in terms of moisturizing, I guess it does a job, but also the CeraVe is always helping. So the second one is this Adidas sneakers that I got from Amazon as a birthday gift, and these are the Superstar all black sneakers. For some reason, I just went on Google and searched all black Adidas Superstars men's, and they were either all sold out of most sizes, or they just were completely sold out, like Zappos, Macy's, etc. Which I was surprised about. I didn't know, like, I don't know, I thought these would just be always readily available, but they weren't. But you know, always Amazon to the rescue, and they had it for like the cheapest, like $51. I hope it's not like a knockoff or anything. I doubt it. It did come in the original Adidas box and packaging. So he just tried it around the house, and yeah, like he really likes it. He needs, so I own a pair of Superstars, the black ones with white stripes, and those are like everywhere, like you can find it anywhere. And I've had them for like over 2 years now, and honestly, they're the best pair of shoes I've ever had. They're weatherproof, like basically like when I wear them and it's like starts to rain or something, like the rain water, like my socks never get wet basically, because it doesn't penetrate through this rubber. So when it snows or when it rains, like these are the shoes that I wear, and it's like just so easy, and they're black, so they don't look dirty. And in this particular case, the stripes are black, so you know, I mean, even it's not gonna show even more, and they're really comfortable. We have these insoles that we use, so instead of, I guess, the ones that are already in there, I think they're actually glued in, but I mean, it doesn't matter. What I do is I just place the insole on top of the cushion that it already comes in. But yeah, these I highly recommend for people who, you know, I know hunter boots are great for, you know, being weatherproof, but these are just great for, like, you know, you don't need to think about it. It's easy to slip on and off, and yeah, they're really perfect. So for men and women, I really love the Superstars. And these are such a throwback too. Sorry, going back to them. You know, I remember wearing these when I was in elementary school, middle school, high school, and then they kind of, you know, faded out, and then they came back, you know, kind of more recent, in the recent like 5 to 7 years, and yeah, I love that. Okay, so the third one that I got, so I don't think I'm going to open these today because the Dyson vacuum cleaner that I got is supposed to actually be here today according to tracking, but Anyway, I think I'll open this with my vacuum cleaner because I feel like that makes more sense. Like, who wants to watch like me? I mean, like, I feel like it's not as fun if you don't have the vacuum cleaner to go with the components. You know what I mean? But anyway, just a brief. This is the we got this during the Black Friday sale. The Dyson vacuum, and they also included these like extra components as part of their Black Friday sale. So I think we got the V8 Dyson vacuum, the V8 Absolute, for it was listed at $250, but then with Ebates we had 10% off, so it ended up being like $225, and then this free shipping, so it was fine. But on Monday, I believe Cyber Monday, I think Ebates had 15% cash back at Dyson. So I mean, and they still had the vacuum available. So, but still really happy about that deal, because the current vacuum that we have is like really bulky. So I think it would be nice to have something that's more easy to carry and maneuver. Okay, yeah, so I think that's all I have for you guys today. I'm a little bit lower in energy today because I've been working the whole week, and oh my gosh, my commute, I have mentioned in past videos in passing, but I have like 3+ commute back and forth, so it's like a little bit tiring. I have to wake up at like 6 a.m. and get to work. I mean, not complaining at all. I love my job. I started this November, and it's like, I do love what I do. But the commute is the only thing that gets me. But anyway, but today I had the day off, so that was really nice. And yeah, I'm excited to, you know, continue to give this a try. Maybe I'll do an update in a month after of using these two guys, and then go from there. But I think price point wise and the amount that you get, it says rebalance and prime. You get 4.2 fluid ounces of this, and for $35, I think that's a really good deal. So anyway, very excited about this. But honestly, this wasn't that big of that great of a deal. But Violet Grey was one of the few stores that carries Augustinus Bader, the 0.5 fluid ounce, and the only place where I could get any sort of discount, even though like I ended up needing to get, you know, $100+ worth of product to get the discount. It's fine. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to come back and do this Dyson vacuum and components unboxing with you guys, and I think that's about it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!